Day 1,400 in a row of buying $1 of Bitcoin. We're going to look at some charts, some information, and take a look at my progress so far and see how it's going. Bitcoin current price around 17,000. I have about 0.105 Bitcoin in my wallet, which is around $1,795. Taking a look at a long-term chart, we're on the weekly here and we're under these moving averages, not really bouncing out of there like we saw back here in 2020. So tough to tell what'll happen, especially with lots of speculation about a recession. I think Bitcoin is a good hedge against a lot of things, so I don't know. It could potentially go sideways for a long time, might not have a huge spike for a while. So that's why I think something like this experiment is good. Just keep dollar cost averaging, keep buying a little bit each day. And that's what I've been doing. I would have done better if I sold up here, obviously, but I think Bitcoin is a good asset to accumulate long term. And that's what this experiment is all about. You also see a pretty big falling wedge here, so usually those break to the upside. We'll see what happens though. Just gonna keep dollar cost averaging. I'll show you the best way to do that currently as well. Another key chart that I think is important to look at is addresses with a balance of over 1 Bitcoin. The people like us that are stacking little bits of Bitcoin and getting to over 1 Bitcoin, we want to own 1 Bitcoin at least out of the 21 million that will ever exist. You can see the amount of addresses now, over 958,000 addresses, going absolutely straight up here towards the end of the year. I would imagine that's also probably due to people just pulling their Bitcoin off of exchanges. Like they want to get their own hardware wallet, get yourself a ledger where you can safely store your Bitcoin. Then you can buy it on something like Strike that I'll show you in a second. Or if you already have some on whatever exchange, it's a good idea to move your Bitcoin off exchanges and move it somewhere safe. Yeah, we'll see if we ever get to 1 million wallets holding 1 Bitcoin. It's looking like we will. That's crazy because that's almost 5% of the whole supply. Another key chart to look at, we can see this orange line here. Over 66% of Bitcoin hasn't moved from the wallet that it's in over a year. So really only about 33% of the circulating supply is what's being traded, and 66% of it is just kind of sitting there chilling in wallets, people holding long term. So I've been buying Bitcoin on Strike, obviously. They have a mobile app and this browser extension as well. You can just come to Bitcoin. It works the exact same way in the mobile app and the browser extension. So up here at the top, it shows the amount of balance that I have in this little Strike wallet. It's about $2. So let's go ahead and buy our dollar for today. Click buy, type $1, tap next, and confirm. Just like that, we've added $1 of Bitcoin. And this is the wallet where I'm storing my Bitcoin. You can see I transfer over here every once in a while. I could just copy this address, hit the arrow in the top right corner and Strike, paste in this Bitcoin address and send it over here very easily. I have a bunch of tutorials for how to do all these little things on Strike on my channel. So I'll link that down in the description along with a sign up link where you can get $5 for free. And Strike has been very transparent on Twitter. I've been very happy with them. And even the information and suggestions that they give. And they say over 90% of Bitcoin purchased on Strike in the month of November was withdrawn from the platform. So they're encouraging people to withdraw from their platform to hardware wallets as well. You can also buy as little as 1 cent of Bitcoin now, and you can automatically set it up to buy in these different time frames. I'm going to make some videos on that as well, but very happy with Strike. I think they're on to something big, so I would pay attention to them for sure. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. $1,796 plus the $3 in our Strike balance. It's going to give us $1,799. 1799 divided by 1400 days equals a 1.28x on my investment. Nothing amazing in this Bitcoin bear market, but hey, we're still up using the dollar cost average method, and we're basically risking nothing, just $1 a day, low stress, slowly accumulating Bitcoin. The dollar gain is pretty obvious. 1799 minus 1400 equals $399 gained over the course of 1400 days. So there's a quick update, day 1400 in the books. Hope you guys enjoyed this update, found something useful or helpful. Let's continue to slowly stack this Bitcoin and looking forward to continue on with this experiment. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.